Trust and Awareness, Engagement in Tech, Marketing Managed. Phil Bacon, Introduction, The Trust Deficit and Awareness Abyss. In the challenging terrain of the technology, engineering and manufacturing sectors, building brand trust and awareness are akin to scaling the Everest of customer engagement. Trust and awareness are the twin pillars that uphold the edifice of customer relationships. However, a deficit in these areas can lead to a precipitous drop in engagement, posing significant challenges for businesses. The trust deficit and awareness abyss are not insurmountable obstacles, but require a deep understanding and strategic navigation to foster meaningful relationships with customers. The trust deficit refers to the gap between the trust customers have in a company and the trust they need to have to engage fully with it. On the other hand, the awareness abyss represents the chasm between a customer's knowledge about a company's offerings and the understanding necessary for them to see the value in these offerings. Both these issues are particularly pronounced in the technology, engineering and manufacturing sectors, where complex products and services can often be difficult for customers to understand and trust. The trust deficit, unpacking its impact. A lack of trust can significantly hinder customer engagement and growth in the technology, engineering and manufacturing sectors. This trust deficit can stem from various sources such as a lack of transparency, poor communication, or failed expectations. For instance, customers may lose trust in a technology company if it fails to clearly communicate how it uses its data, leading to a perception of opacity. Similarly, an engineering firm that fails to deliver on its promises can lose the trust of its clients. The impact of the trust deficit is far-reaching. It can lead to reduced customer loyalty, lower customer retention rates, and a decrease in customer advocacy, all of which can negatively impact a company's bottom line. Therefore, businesses in these sectors must formulate strategies to rebuild and strengthen trust with their customers. This involves not only addressing the sources of the trust deficit, but also proactively building brand trust through actions that demonstrate reliability, credibility, and empathy. Bridging the awareness abyss, the importance of effective communication. The awareness abyss, or lack of customer knowledge about a company's offerings, can severely impede engagement and business growth. This is particularly true in the technology, engineering, and manufacturing sectors where products and services can often be complex and difficult for customers to understand. However, by leveraging effective communication channels and strategies, businesses in these sectors can bridge this gap, increase product awareness, and foster customer engagement. Effective communication is about more than just disseminating information. It's about making that information accessible, understandable, and relevant to the customer. This involves simplifying complex concepts, using language that the customer understands, and tailoring the message to the customer's needs and interests. By doing so, businesses can not only increase brand awareness for technology companies, engineering companies, and manufacturing companies, but also build stronger relationships with their customers. Strategies to overcome the trust deficit and awareness abyss. Addressing the trust deficit and awareness abyss requires a comprehensive and strategic approach. One of the key strategies for overcoming these challenges is improving transparency. This involves openly sharing information about the company's practices, policies, and performance. For instance, a manufacturing company could share information about its supply chain practices to demonstrate its commitment to ethical sourcing. This not only helps to build brand trust, but also increases brand awareness by highlighting the company's values and commitments. Another effective strategy is leveraging customer testimonials. Testimonials provide social proof of a company's credibility and reliability, helping to build trust. They also increase brand awareness by showcasing the company's offerings and the benefits they provide to customers. Additionally, enhancing customer service can also help to overcome the trust deficit. By providing prompt, helpful, and empathetic service, businesses can show their customers that they are valued and respected, thereby building trust. Successful trust and awareness strategies in tech, engineering, and manufacturing. Examples of companies that have successfully overcome the trust deficit and awareness abyss provide invaluable insights. These case studies can guide businesses in these sectors in developing their own strategies to address these challenges and enhance customer engagement. For instance, a technology company that implemented a comprehensive data privacy policy and communicated this effectively to its customers could serve as a case study for building trust through transparency. Similarly, an engineering company that used educational content to explain its complex services to customers could serve as a case study for bridging the awareness abyss. These case studies not only provide practical examples of successful strategies, but also demonstrate the positive impact of building brand trust and awareness on customer engagement and business growth. Anticipating and overcoming challenges in building trust and awareness. The journey to building trust and increasing awareness is not without obstacles. However, by anticipating potential challenges and formulating effective countermeasures, businesses in these sectors can navigate these hurdles and achieve their customer engagement objectives. For instance, a potential challenge in building trust could be customer skepticism due to past negative experiences with other companies in the sector. To overcome this, businesses could focus on demonstrating their reliability through consistent performance and open communication. Similarly, a potential challenge in increasing awareness could be the complexity of the company's offerings. To overcome this, businesses could focus on simplifying their messaging, using clear and understandable language, and providing educational content that helps customers understand their offerings. By anticipating and addressing these challenges, businesses can ensure that their efforts to build trust and increase awareness are effective. Looking ahead, the future of trust and awareness in tech, engineering, and manufacturing. As the tech, engineering, and manufacturing sectors evolve, so too will the challenges and strategies related to trust and awareness. With the rapid advancement of technology and changing customer expectations, businesses will need to stay ahead of these changes and continuously adapt their strategies. This could involve leveraging new technologies to enhance transparency, personalizing communications to increase relevance, or implementing innovative customer engagement strategies to build trust and awareness. For instance, the rise of artificial intelligence and machine learning could provide new opportunities for personalizing customer interactions, thereby enhancing trust and awareness. Similarly, the growing importance of sustainability could lead businesses to focus on building trust through transparent and ethical practices. By staying ahead of these trends and continuously adapting their strategies, businesses can ensure that they maintain strong customer engagement in the future. The role of digital transformation in building trust and awareness. Digital transformation can play a critical role in addressing the trust deficit and awareness abyss. Through advanced technologies like AI, machine learning, and data analytics, businesses can gain a deeper understanding of their customers, personalize interactions, and deliver consistent, transparent communications, all of which can bolster trust and awareness. For instance, a manufacturing company could use data analytics to gain insights into customer needs and preferences, enabling it to tailor its offerings and communications to these needs. Similarly, a technology company could use AI to personalize customer interactions, providing a more relevant and engaging experience. By leveraging these technologies, businesses can not only address the trust deficit and awareness abyss, but also enhance their overall customer engagement. However, it's important to note that digital transformation should be implemented in a way that respects customer privacy and data security, as these are critical to building trust. Measuring success in building trust and awareness. The impact of efforts to build trust and enhance awareness should be measurable. Implementing appropriate performance indicators and consistently monitoring them can provide invaluable insights into the effectiveness of your strategies and inform necessary adjustments or enhancements. For instance, customer satisfaction scores, net promoter scores, and customer retention rates can be effective measures of trust. On the other hand, brand recognition, brand recall, and customer knowledge about the company's offerings can be effective measures of awareness. However, it's important to note that these metrics should not be viewed in isolation. Instead, they should be considered in conjunction with other business metrics such as sales, revenue, and market share to provide a holistic view of the company's performance. By consistently monitoring these metrics, businesses can ensure that their efforts to build trust and increase awareness are contributing to their overall business objectives. Conclusion: scaling the Everest of engagement. Overcoming the trust deficit and awareness abyss may seem like scaling Everest, but with the right strategies, it's entirely achievable. By understanding these challenges and implementing effective measures, businesses in the tech, engineering, and manufacturing sectors can significantly enhance their customer engagement, build stronger relationships, and drive business growth. Building brand trust and awareness is not a one-time effort, but a continuous process that requires commitment, consistency, and adaptability. As the landscape of the tech, engineering, and manufacturing sectors continues to evolve, businesses will need to stay ahead of the curve and continuously adapt their strategies. Whether it's leveraging new technologies, implementing innovative customer engagement strategies, or enhancing transparency and ethical practices, businesses will need to be proactive and agile in their approach. With the right strategies and a commitment to building trust and awareness, businesses can conquer the Everest of engagement and achieve their customer engagement objectives. In conclusion, building brand trust and awareness is critical to customer engagement in the tech, engineering, and manufacturing sectors. By understanding the challenges of the trust deficit and awareness abyss and implementing effective strategies to address them, businesses can foster meaningful relationships with their customers, enhance their customer engagement, and drive business growth.